My dear brothers and sisters, today's reading, though specific, the focus is specific, but the application, I think, is general. Jesus talks about not just adultery, also so-called a commitment, a fidelity, a faithfulness. Those who are sitting here belong to various straits of life. We have the religious here, priests and sisters, there are the married people here, there are bachelors, spinsters, and others. All of us have made a commitment to God, to serve the people, to each other, to take care of the family. So when we fail in a commitment, we in a way are committed adultery, or we become adulterers, because we have given our word to God or to each other, and when we break that commitment made to the other, then we in a way going back on our word, we become adulterers. Therefore, we need to reflect on this passage, not just keeping a focus on marriage itself, but focus on our commitments to each other. Whether we are at work, a commitment to the work we are doing, a commitment to our children, or their commitment to us in general. So we pause for a while and ask the Lord to help us to understand this passage in a broader context, not just the context of marriage, the context of daily life, how we can in a way make our life more fruitful by being more committed to God. Yahweh in the Old Testament made a commitment to the people that He will be their God and they will be His people. And Yahweh right through kept a commitment, though His people time and again went astray, but Yahweh brought them back. So though when God sent His Son in the world, He made a commitment to Jesus and to us. Jesus, by the death on the cross, fulfilled the commitment. We pause and ask ourselves, how do we live our day-to-day commitments?